Everyone, hope you all are fine. Welcome to the English Academy. In this video, we are going to start chapter number 24 of the novel The Secret Garden by Frances Hodgson Burnett, and the chapter is named as Let Them Laugh. Let's see what is this chapter all about. But before going towards explaining you the chapter, I would like you to have a look at some of the difficult words which I found out for you, so it will be easy for you to understand the meanings of these words in context with the story of the chapter. So the first word is glumest, that's mean feeling dejected. Second is reproachful, disapproval. Third, disdain, unworthy. Fourth one is bounteous, generous. Second last is mignonette, a plant with fragrant flowers. The last one is crevice, narrow opening or fissure. I hope that these all words are clear to you. And now I am going to tell you the story of the chapter number 24, Let Them Laugh. Students, in this chapter, it is told that Master Colin is growing strong and healthy day by day. The daily visits to the secret garden and the long walk and exercises they made all helped him to grow faster and healthier. Because of such exercises and long walks, Colin and Mary feel hungry badly, and the food they got from the kitchen was often not sufficient for them to satisfy their empty stomach. Therefore, when Dickon told the whole story to her mother, to his mother, Mrs. Sorby, she decided to send fresh milk and freshly baked buns with currants for them every morning. As they were taking long walks with Colin, so they started to feel hungry really early. So Dickon told his mother that this the situation is. So she started to send fresh milk, baked buns along with some currants for them every morning. Colin and Mary were happy and were very grateful to Mrs. Sorby. When Colin wanted to give some compensation shillings to Dickon for that, then Dickon guided them about a hollow oven where they can roast eggs and potatoes. They both liked the idea of this and followed as Dickens said. After having roasted eggs and potatoes, when they both missed the dinner and then breakfast, then the nurse and Mrs. Medlock got worried and called Dr. Craven. On inquiring, Mary told the truth regarding potatoes and eggs, and the Colin and Mary started to laugh. Dr. Craven said to Mrs. Medlock, "Let them laugh." So, this is the story of chapter number 24, Let Them Laugh, in which we came to know that Colin is now doing really well. His health is getting better day by day, but Mary and Dickon started to feel hungry really soon as they walked with Colin, and as Colin was taking long walks in order to stand on his feet properly. So Dickon told all about it to his mother. Then his mother told Dickon and decided to send fresh milk and freshly baked buns with currant for them every morning. Colin wanted to make some compensation in exchange of, getting fresh milk and freshly baked buns, in the form of giving some shillings to Dickon. But Dickon said that there is a hollow oven where they can bake roast eggs and potatoes. So both Colin and Mary liked the idea as they followed Dickon, whatever he said, and after having roasted eggs and potatoes, when they both missed the dinner and then breakfast, then the nurse and Mrs. Medlock got worried that what is wrong with them, that they are not having their breakfast and dinner. So Mrs. Medlock told this to Dr. Craven, right? Actually, they do not know that they are having roasted eggs and potatoes. So obviously when they are filled, so they do not go for having dinner and breakfast as well, right? Because in breakfast already Mrs. Rabi is sending them fresh milk, baked buns along with the currants, so they did not feel like eating something in dinner and breakfast. So this situation made Mrs. Medlock suspicious, and she shared this issue with Dr. Craven. Dr. Craven started inquiring Mary. So Mary told him the truth regarding potatoes and eggs, and then Colin and Mary started to laugh. And Dr. Craven in the end said to Mrs. Medlock, "Let them laugh." And by the end of these words, we are done with the chapter number 24, Let Them Laugh. So in which we came to know that who were laughing and why did they laugh. I hope that the story of the chapter is clear to everyone, and still if you have any question you can ask me in comment section. And if you want to get the ending of the chapter, so you need to watch the videos that are going to be posted really soon on the channel, as we are left with only three chapters. Chapter number 25, the curtains; chapter number 26, its mother; and the last chapter, in the garden, right? I hope that you will all follow the chapters remaining, and we will have a very good time together till the end of the novel. Until the next video, take care. Bye bye.